Hey, except, hey. Look out. Hey, Prophet, hey. That's the way to. Ish. It's a creed. Umsomlu. 27 July 2026. Nakajani-ke nganza kwethu ngithi-ke siphuma lapha eRichards Bay ukuthi-ke lapha siyolwa nesimo sabasebenzi ngomhlukumezeka kwabo enkampanini abayisebenzelayo engaphansi kuka-Transnet. Siyathemba-ke ukuthi umlayezo usudlulisile uzozwakala. Njengoba ngikhuluma-ke nje lezi ndaba, ngikhuluma lezi ndaba ngokukhulu ukujabula ukuthi emveni kokumasha kwethu isikhathi eside kangaka 1,000 marches across South Africa akadenzeka ekwazi wafika umhla ka-30 owabekwa njengelanga futhi-ke eliwumncamla juqu futhi elikhuthaza ukuthi abantu bokufika bahambe abangenamaphepha. Sikuthokozelile kakhulu lokho futhi manje sekuthele ithelo ngoba iqiniso limile. As much as singakuzuzile konke kodwa futhi we can't march forever. Iqiniso limile lelo, iqiniso lonke, iqiniso lodwa. Iqiniso lelo ngoba asinayo inhloso yokucollapse economy. Futhi ngikhuluma lokho njengesenior yomuntu okwaziyo ukuboshwa abafowethu isilitha labo yonke lento ukuthi dadewethu uMangobese noMfowethu Phakela abalazi ijele, and futhi they are junior to me. They are excited about every situation, limelight, relevancy, and everything. I'm no longer excited. I'm visionary. I know what to do and when to do it. So where someone is weaker, someone has to protect each other. Someone has to elevate each other. So this is the position I'm taking. I'm on social media platforms. They may be there to say whatever they want to say because of the likes, because of the relevancies, because of abantu befuna ukuthi bahole ekugcineni kosuku ama-views. So the country is not about views. The country is a very serious matter. We are serious about liberating our own country called South Africa. Njengamanje ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuthi kwi-Gauteng province uhulumeni wakhona has responded. Ulokhunjana ucommissioner was-Gauteng esasinaye simasha eHeathrow simasha eUval responded. He's called me ukuthi naye no station manager wase-Heathrow no station manager wase-UVAL ney'nduna zase-UVAL sengikhulumile nazo nezase-Heathrow nezase-GP nasase-Gauteng yonkana jikelele esasinazo umhla ka-30. Ngithi bafowethu asipheleleni sonke ngolwesithathu ngo-9 siyomukela imbali zethu, siyomukela ama-result okumasha kwethu ngoba we can't march forever but we must march for the reason now and for the change, not for complainants, but we march to the greener pastures. The greener pastures is to receive ukuthi after we have placed a memorandum uhulumeni wase-Gauteng uthini. Ngiyawubonga to respond ngolwesithathu ngo-9 ekuseni zonke iy'nduna esasinazo ngomhla ka-30 esasigijima nazo estradini, sasigijima nazo ey'ndaweni ezahlukahlukene, nazo zonke iy'nsizwa zama-security esasinazo eGoli ngomhla ka-30 esathembisana ukuthi bafana bakithi siyofa la ndawonye. Siyacela ukuthi sibe khona ngolwesithathu siyozwa ukuthi ngempela uresponde uthini kuthina ucommissioner, uresponda kuthina ustation manager wase-Heathrow, uresponde uthini ustation manager wase-UVAL ngaso sonke isigameko sase-Gauteng sokuthi kube nama-illegal occupants emabhilidini, kube nama-drugs ko-Heathrow, kube ne-prostitutions ko-Heathrow nako-UVAL yonke indawo koGoli ko-Sunnyside. So into enjengaleyo now ke isifikile. Njengongizwa umlando wamchunu as a normal citizen of South Africa, I'm here to declare that I will be the part of that because imina kuphela owayekhona kuma leaders akhona senior eGauteng umhla ka-30 imina futhi ozobe khona ekuthenini ngikwazi ukuyo receive irespond evela ku station commander kanye no commissioner neGauteng province as a whole ukuthi reactor ethini kulesimo esikhala ngaso country South Africa singabantu baseNingizimu Afrika. Ngiyabonga kakhulu uPanyaza ukuthi ubuholi bakho bume ngalendlela obume ngayo futhi nawe uzame kunzima kunjalo ukuthi uhlakule isimo siye phambili. Namanje ke siya encourage ukuthi all other provinces noba umuntu siyambona naye uyakwazi ukuthi a react entweni enjengalezi sikhala ngazo country South Africa. Sakubonga kakhulu Mphemba ukuthi ithe kandlela. Kodwa sikufuna manje u-action namanye ama-province siyawa-encourage to do the same. Siyabonga kakhulu nganza kwethu sicela ukuthi sihlangane sonke ngensizwa zakithi sibambe ngomthetho omdala kaMose Gauteng ngoLwesithathu ngo-8 ekuseni kwaMayimayi siyasuka sibheka sibheka eHebrew soke eHebrew sithi uVale sihlangane no-station commander kwakhona eHebrew sihlangana no-station commander wakhona eUVale ney'nduna zakhona nazo zonke iy'nduna esasenazo kwi-Gauteng province zibe khona si-witness the history. We march for the change. We are not marching just to sweat. Mina njengoba ngilapha ngiganza kwethu ngithathe isinqumo sokuthi badelela abaholi noma umkhansela ngitshengile futhi ngiyecela ukuyinikeza ngoba lento yokumashi idrathi zonke ze-South Africa with the zero impact of a change, it will cost us.
Umbuzo wami nje ulula. Ubone nini ukuthi ukumasha idaladi zonke kune zero impact? Uqale nini ukubona ukuthi kune zero impact of the change? Ngisebenzisa amazwi asetshenziswa wena. Uqale nini ukubona? Noma into oyibone emva kokuba sewube ne-meeting nobuholi beqembu elithize no-president wezwe wasuyaqala uyabona ukuthi lokhu masha lokhu iy'taladi zonke zase-South Africa kune zero impact. Mina ngayenza-ke ividiyo ngasho ngathi vele uhlakaniphile. Ifa lezula vele lidliwa abahlakaniphileyo. Uhlakaniphile and kuyakusebenzela ukuzenza uhlanye ube wazi ukuthi uhlakaniphile and uhlakaniphile lokwangempela futhi kuyawondla umndeni wakho ukuhlakanipha lokhu onakho. Isiphiwo nje nawe owaphiwa sona and uyi-brand enkulu. Lokho nje akekho umuntu ongakuphuca lokho. Uyi-brand enkulu kabi. Mina nje ngiyakubongela ukuthi ezweni elihlupheka kangaka wena uyakwazi nje ukuzenzela imali ngendlela elula. Uyakwazi nje ukuzenzela imali ngendlela elula. Support umndeni wakho. Yabo nje hayi mina ngiyakubongela bandla. Ukugxeka nje hayi ku-wrong. Wena usebenzisa i-strategy esikusebenzelile. Futhi awufihli u-open ngakho. Akuyonto oqala ukuyenza futhi akuyonto ogcina ukuyenza usazoyenza. Hayi mina ngiyakubongela mina. Ngiyakubongela nje ukuthi hayi izinto zakho uyakwazi.
Angeke ngisho okuningi nje ngechuno engakusho nje Nelson Mandela once said.
For anybody who changes his principles depending on whom he is dealing, that is not a man who can lead a nation.
And then there's this guy. He's got the audacity to be saying, Guti, we've been marching for almost half a year and many of us are still unemployed. Into ehlekisaya ngalomjita is that he is calling us xenophobic and he is standing up for ama rights wabantu angathi yena mengaya emazweni wabo kuthiwe itaba nayifuneki. That's the funny thing. In many of these countries that he's advocating for, they would not accept him for who he is as a gay man. He wouldn't even be able to live there. He's got so much freedom to express himself here as a express and it needs to be addressed because umuntu uzokhuluma from his place of privilege, forgetting ukuthi the real issues that are faced by South Africans are the issues that are on the ground. No? So mina like I don't think we should actually give him any airtime. I really don't think we should give him any airtime.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. We are Pendula Ungizwe Mchunu after he was exposed by March and March of working with politicians of selling and kuza makuhlakada March and March of receiving a bribe. So March and March iqhelelisile kusebenteni na Ngizwe Mchunu basho nje ukuthi futhi basabhizi neluphenyo. So when the video Ungizwe Mchunu responding after he was exposed uthi yena we cannot march forever lokho futhi kubulala mnotho wase South Africa. And people are saying ukuthi Ungizwe Mchunu uyi-flip flop. Oqaleni nikubona ukuthi lama mashi lawa abulala mnotho wase South Africa nokuthi awanamthelela uthi njena awanamthelela akubonakali ukuthi kumashwelana. People are really disappointed at Ungizwe Mchunu, saying ukuthi flip flop, saying ukuthi uthengise ngemzabalazo, saying ukuthi uthanza imali uniketwe imali njena yena wa decide ukuthi abe flip flop. So abantu abaningi njena they are really disappointed. Nema video yakhe la wendako saying ukuthi lama mashi bewanganamthelela, saying ukuthi ngeke size simashe ingona phakade. And people are saying ukuthi waze wakhohlakala Ngizwe. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.